Taipei is a very clean city. I like it. It's clean. It's a very clean city. Just that summers are hot. And the funny part was, I wanted to go, I talked to these people that night. I asked them like if where was a really good place to go to a hot spring, and they looked at me like I was crazy because nobody does a hot spring in the summer. Duh. So yep, I guess I'll have to come back to Taiwan in the winter to do hot springs, but we'll see what's up. Other than that, it looks like your typical normal city, like an American city, westernized city.